Welcome! Today I am with XIAOMI Mi 9 SE and I will show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. You have to open your Gmail, click OK. Right now tap here to take me to Gmail. Click on the right upper corner. And right now if you want to remove one of these icons, I'm going to click here to manage accounts on this device. Then go for the Google and let's pick account that we want to remove. I'm going for the first one. Click to more, move to the remove account, confirm, and right now just simply go back and take a look. Right now we are only logged in with one account, and that's how it works. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.